This recipe and say goodbye to back and joint pain. No one wants their body to develop weak bones or joints or to become frail. However, straining yourself, bumping into objects, and certain bad habits can do just that. Back and joint pain are one of the main reasons that people seek medical treatment. They can be caused by overdoing it physically, but they can also be caused by certain traumas and disease. Most of the time, these aches and pains are not severe and can be conquered with rest, over-the-counter medication, and special exercise. However, when these aches and pains occur regularly, they can be a sign of chronic disease such as arthritis. The aches and pains can become worse over time. If this happens, they could limit our mobility and affect our daily lives. To prevent that from occurring, it is important to live a healthy lifestyle and follow a wholesome diet full of nutrients that your bones and joints need to be strong. There are also natural supplements you can take to help strengthen your bones and joints without ill side effect. One supplement you can take is gelatina, which is scientific word for gelatin. Gelatin contains something called collagen, which can strengthen your bones. Gelatin helps your joint and back pain because it is made of mostly protein. It contains some mineral salts and water as well. This mixture helps to make collagen and reduce swelling in your veins and muscles. Gelatin also has amino acids which are called arginine and glycine. These fancy sounding acids help to build muscles and strengthen your joints. Gelatin is cholesterol free, fat free and low calorie, yet because of the high protein content, gelatin makes you feel fuller longer, increase your metabolism and help with digestion. It also strengthens the cartilage in your body and prevents serious injuries. Believe it or not, gelatin can help you outside appearance too. It has shown an ability to keep skin healthy, stop premature aging and strengthen bones. To protect your joint, bones and cartilage, you should ingest 10 to 15 grams of natural gelatin each day. You can add this to many things such as pastries, smoothies, and natural juice. Use these recipes when you work your body a little too much or when you have an injury.